Hello, I'm Paul, and welcome to the real origin of innovation. Some of you may know me from my YouTube channel, Professional Roomies. Today, I'm here on 369 Admin Group channel to give you an informative and dynamic breakdown on what they have planned to revolutionize the creator industry. When you think of Silicon Valley, what comes to mind? Tech empires, billion-dollar exits. That's the version people know. But the truth, it started in bedrooms, rented rooms. People building companies from fold-out tables and two-screen setups, and some of the smartest. Owners of those spaces said, "You can live here for cheap if I get a cut of whatever you create." That simple structure, it birthed everything. Shared space, shared vision, shared outcome. Now, imagine doing that for creators, not just musicians, not just editors, not just influencers. Everyone with a story, a voice, and a skill. That's what the individuals at 369 Admin Group built. Not a label, not a distributor, a new infrastructure where creators don't just upload content, they own their platform, where the energy used to chase views is now used to build legacy. And that's just the beginning.